Hope you all are good. Welcome to my channel, Sri World of Coding. In today's session, I'm going to solve few SQL Leetcode problems. So let's begin. So first problem I'm solving 1341 movie rating. So we have a table movies with these column names, movie ID and title. We have column table users with these column names, and the table movie rating with all these column names. So we have a motive. We have to write a solution, and we need to find the name of the user who has rated the highest number of movies. In case of tie, return the lexicological smaller username. So it's basically in ascending order. Then find the movie name with the highest average rating in February 2020. So we have this table movies in which movie ID and title is given, then the user is given, and then movie rating and table in which we have columns movie ID, user ID, rating, and created at. So here you can see, okay, as per the explanation, Daniel and Monica have rated 3 movies. Okay, so Daniel and Monica. So Daniel Monica is ID 1 and 2. So you can see 1, 1, and 1. Okay, they have rated. One has rated 3 movies. Similarly, 2, 1, 1, and 1. Okay, similarly, 2 has also rated 3 movies. Okay, but as per ascending order, Daniel is the smaller one. Now the second one, we need to find the movie name with the higher average rating in February 2022. So you can see, if we filter the movie rated on in February, we can see movie ID 1. Okay, this is for these 3. Okay, these has been rated. Okay, 6. Yeah, so you can see movie ID 1. 1 is Avengers. Okay, for this, the average movie rating is, you can say, 4 plus 2, 6 divided by 4 entries. Okay, but if you look for 3, okay, movie ID with 3, you can see the sum is 7 and 2 entries, so the average comes to 3.5. Okay, yeah. So let's write our code. So what we'll do, we will create a subquery. Okay, let's write this. Okay, how we can first we need calculate first we need to calculate the name of the user who have rated the highest number of movies. Okay, so from this table, what we can do, okay, we can do basically dense rank function and calculate the rank with the group by clause with count function with count aggregate. So let's write our code. So first, what you can do, we need to calculate the count. Okay, so let's take the yeah, comma, count star as, let's say, C1 for our table movie rating, and grouped by this user ID column itself. Okay, we can create a subquery on top of it. We can use select user ID, and we can calculate the dense rank, right? Yeah, dense rank we can calculate over, this is the syntax for dense rank. We can write order by C1, that is this count star column name, and in descending order we can this as this, and we can write like this. So basically what we are doing, we are calculating. So let me return what's the output we are getting from this. Okay, so there is some error, let's see. Okay, select it. Oh, it's 2 times. Okay, one other. Yeah, okay, dense rank over order by, yeah, from select. Okay, okay, uh, seems correct only. What's the issue? Oh, the spelling of dense is wrong. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, let's even write the C1 as well. Okay, so get the clarity. How many users have rated the following movie. Okay, so you can see user ID 1 has rated three movies, so I've given the rank as 1. Similarly, user ID 2 has also rated 3 movies, and it comes at rank 1. Similarly, user ID 3 has rated 2 movies, and user ID 4 has rated 1 movie. So now we need to return, as you can see, it's returning the name of the individual who has rated the most movies. So what we need to do, we need to basically do a join. Okay, so what we can do, we can do a join, okay, with table users. Okay, so this is the users on on okay, on column user id cte dot user id equal to, let's give a name, u dot user id. And what we need to do, we can do select, yeah, we need to apply filter condition with r1 equal to with rank as 1. And yeah, order by, here will it be order by name, and limit has to be 1, because we need to only return uh, the one name. So here we can also write, yeah, so here you can see only one record is returned with name Daniel, so we can write here as name. So for the first part of the question, we have achieved what we want to achieve. Okay, so here you can see name is being returned, or we can also use the alias, because the output is informed the column name as results. Okay, now coming to the second part, we can write another subquery. Okay, cte1 as, what we need to get, we need to find the movie name with highest average rating. Okay, yeah, so let's, what we can do, first, uh, yeah, so let's see how we can get filter the movies in month of February 2020. So we can do, we can write select, and we need to get the movie ID, yeah, and then average, we need to get the rating, yeah, yeah, from table name movie rating, yeah, where we can say date, we will use date format function, we will pass created date as, and we will require only year, so we write percentage y hyphen percentage small m, that will be equal to 2020 hyphen 02, yeah, and we will be grouping by on column movie id. So what it will return, the average rating of the movie between period 20 February 2020. Okay, now we can apply our rank function. Okay, yeah, we can write dense rank, yeah, we can write over order by rating in descending order as rank. Okay, from, yeah, so this, we will be getting movie id and rank from this subquery. Okay, so let's give a name as this, and what we can do, so what this will return, uh, this will return the movie id and the rank, so the most rated movie between February 2020. So what we can do, in order to union out all this result, we need to do union all, and what we can do, select, yeah, so we will be requiring frozen 2. Okay, so that is title. Okay, and as results, yeah, let me copy this, as results from cte to join movies on cte2 dot movie id itself, yeah, and where condition will be r1 equal to 1, so the rank will be 1, and order by basically order by title, because we need to return the result in lexicological order, smaller to biggest, and limit will be 1. So let's see whether we have written the correct query or not. So let's click on submit. So we are getting the expected result. So what we have basically done, we have created, first we have calculated the rank of the number of users who have rated the most movies. Then we have done a union on with the result of the highest average rating movie for month of February 2020. Moving on to the next question, that is ID 602 friend request, who has the most friends. Okay, so we have table request accepted, and we have the column name requester ID, acceptor ID, accept date, and we need to write a solution to find the people who have most friends and the most friends number. Okay, okay, and the result format is in the following example. Okay, so we can see we have table request accepted, we have requester ID, acceptor ID, and accept date. Okay, so we can see a person with ID 3 is friend of, okay, is of 4, he is friend of 4, even as of 2 and 1. So in total 1 to 4 he is the friend and has the most friend in total. Okay, so we need to see, so in order to pose the question, what we can do a group by to calculate how many distinct friends are present both ways, right? Right, and calculate how many friends are present. So what we can do with CTE as, so let me calculate the friend number of friends both ways. So select requester ID, comma count star, or we can do count on distinct friend. Yeah, distinct acceptor ID from table requested accepted group by requester ID. Yeah, we can do a union all with, let's, yeah, so this query will be same, just the column names and value will be reverted, and the requested ID should be this. So what I'm basically doing, and yeah, let's give the count column as some name, let's give a name, and let's see what output we are getting. Okay, so here you can see 1 has 2 friends, 2 has 1 friend, 3 has 1 friend in forward flow. Now again, uh, 2 has 1 friend in, yeah, in backward flow. Okay, and 3 has 2, correct, and 4 has 1. Okay, I hope, uh, yeah, because here you can see this is overlapping result, as you can see. No, it's correct. Okay, here, yeah, the output is accepted, because you can see 1 has 2 friends, yeah, 2 has 1, 3 has 1, and if you go at the look at the backward, 2 has 1 friend, right? So in total 2 have 1 plus 1 2, 1 has in total 2 friends, 3, if you calculate the sum it comes to 3. So what you can do, uh, we can do uh, we can do again the group by, okay, an aggregate function of sum on column num, and group by on column requester ID. Okay, now click on run to check whether we are getting the expected output or not. Okay, what's the problem? Okay, here should be none. I hope. Okay, and what we can do, we need to also do order by we can order by and all even limit, because we are only getting we only need one output. Okay, order by num in descending order and limit as 1. Yeah, now click on submit. So I've calculated the number of friends both sides, and output of that I've again done a group by to calculate the number of total friends ordered by uh, number of friends in descending order and limit as 1. Okay, now moving to the next question. We have list of products ordered in a period. Okay, so we have a table products in which these are the column names. We have table orders and these are the column names. We need to write the solution to find name of products that have at least 100 units ordered in February 2020 and their amount. Okay, we need to write a solution to get the name of the product that have at least 100 units ordered in February 2020. Okay, so here you can see yeah, so here you can see, okay, for product with ID 1, okay, ordered in month of February is greater than 100. Yeah, 60 plus 70 counts for 130, which is greater than 100. And product ID 1 is Leetcode solutions. Okay, similarly for product ID 5, 5 is Leetcode kid is greater than greater than equal to 100, so we are getting the output as well. So what we can do first, we need to calculate, basically we need to group by and do a summation with a condition they are ordered in February month. So what we can do, yeah, so let's write the query. Yeah, first write, let's do this as well. Yeah, let's write product ID. Yeah, or we can do a direct, we can do a join between these two tables to get the product name directly, because anyway the join has to be done on products in order to get the product name. So yeah, so we can name as product table sp and orders as well. So let's write this p dot product id, and then the product name because it's unique in both these table, comma order date, and then we can do unit from products p join orders table o on column product id on p dot product id equal to o dot product id. Okay, we can write where date format, and okay, the column name has to be passed as orders with percentage y hyphen percentage m. Okay, yeah, and here will be 2020 hyphen 02. I hope it needs to, yeah, it was ordered in February, and yeah, so let's see what output we are getting from now, until now. Then we can see select star from CTE. So basically it will filter the records and return the product ID, product name, order. What's the issue here? Okay, what's the issue? Some extra. Okay, one extra is there. Yeah. Okay, so what I've done, I basically filtered all the products order in month of February 2020. Now what we can do, we can do a group by. Okay, and calculate group by on column product ID and calculate the number of units. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, and we can do select, we only require, I suppose, product ID, or we only require product name. We can directly draw the output from that, and unit, and it should be sum of units, unit. Okay, the column name is unit only from. Okay, let's give a name as this, and we can do a group by on column product ID having sum of unit greater than 100. Yeah, and we can do an order by unit in descending order. So let's check we're getting an expected output or not. Okay, let's see what issue we are getting. We are getting Leetcode solution, and we're only getting one output. Okay, here is to be equal to as well. It's 100 and greater than. Now click on submit. So basically what we've done, first we've filtered all the product IDs that were ordered between on February 2020, and then what I've done, I've calculated the product ID having units ordered greater than 100. So hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.